How to watch YouTube in dark mode on your Android device. YouTube's dark theme provides an easier on the eyes viewing experience. It's particularly nice when watching videos in the dark or at night. I'm going to show you how to turn dark mode on your Android device. Okay, first of all, open up the YouTube app. Click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner and then click on Settings. Next, go to General and then click on Appearance. On this menu, click on Dark Theme. And that's all it takes to change YouTube to dark mode on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.